Welcome back to Dancehall Jet, Dancehall Jet, Dancehall Jet. This game show something yeah. I am your host, Andrew Trebek. Last we left off, Killer, me general, was in the lead. As always, Killer, go on, I hear it.
Ha, hi, har, we take language hearts for 300.
The answer there is, your surname given at birth is also known as this. Tanto, me G. Go on with your answer.
What's my first name?
Rich.
No, that is my answer.
Oh, sorry, me G. That wrong still here. That wrong. Me general, go on through.
Youth, what are his my last name?
Judges. Okay, it can go on. Okay, Killer. Go on again.
Hi, har, we take language hearts for 500. Youth.
The answer there is, this 27 letter is also a vowel and also sound like a motive. Yes, Papi, come with your answer.
Why?
A why you really a why me? No, my youth, come better than that.
Why?
Listen ya, you want to see you come back on this show?
Why?
Really? Oh wait, I answer, I try answer. Sorry, me G, you have to answer in form of a question still.
Terribly sorry about that. What is why?
Okay, that's right. Now you're no longer at the bottom.
Why?